Hi, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to just go over this real quick and let you know where I'm at with my build. Right here, I'm just attaching the X axis. I just had to figure out a way to attach it to the ball screws. You know, it has the little attachment goes on the ball screws. When the ball screw spins, it moves back and forth. It's a real simple design. It just has to be attached. And so I had to come up with a way here. And so I just took some of those the aluminum angles, and cut them in pieces until I can line it up. Just a lot of drilling. I didn't go into full detail on all of it, but I wanted to, you know, give some at least what I'm doing here in case there's anybody out there who's wanting to build one. I made this pretty beefy, all this metal, and I don't think it's going to move anywhere anytime soon. So I had to line this up and just kind of mate drill it. It's really not that big of a deal, and put it on there, line it up, and then I did the other side the exact same way. Here I'm just lining it up and tightening. It's really, like I said, not that complicated. It's the way I did it. I'm sure there's other people who do it a better way. It's just what I came up with. The last CNC I did, it was a lot less sturdy than this. So the other side, like I said, I'm just doing it like the same way. Running through here. The other side I didn't show tightening this down, so I kind of wanted to show the other side. And I measured the right and left. When I say right and left, I mean how it's actuating from all the way the 4 feet to the other side of the 4 feet on this CNC, and it's dead on. So I'm happy for that. I'm just going to tighten it up right where it is. And when I set up the electronics, which are next, this it won't be that big a deal. And with the Y axis, I had to find a way to line all this up, which was not easy because the rails actually pulls it away a certain distance. So I had to have that matched up inside of here with this bracket. Whoops. Had it matched up with the bracket inside there, which was not going to match up. So I had to shim it out and with these little shims here. And 1/4 inch was not going to work. I actually had to buy 5mm to pull it this way to where it would match inside of there. I've heard other people have issues with that, and I didn't want to try to measure that and get a bracket. So actually what this had to do is this bracket, which is pretty common with these motors, I just decided to use that and actually shim it this way 1/8 inch, and that way 5mm, which made this line up. That's the issue, is you don't want this thing off. You want it to be perfect, and it's pretty dead on. So I'm really happy with that. So the Z is all lined up. You know, the Y, the Z that's on it, is all lined up. So we're good to go. I've got the electronics. That'll be the next video. Like I said in previous videos, I'm gonna try to be more detailed. So that's where I'm at. I appreciate you watching. If you've not subscribed, please do. I'd appreciate the support. And thanks for watching.